I don't just look this cool for fun. We're about to do a blind taste test of this Cholula box set to figure out which is the best flavor of Cholula. That's right, today I'm gonna wear this awesome, cool looking blindfold, and my son Edward's gonna help me taste each of these hot sauces, not knowing which one is which, and I'll rank my favorite. We're gonna go head to head for the first round, narrow it down to the top 3, and then we'll see which Cholula reigns supreme. Original, chili garlic, chili lime, chipotle, green pepper, or sweet habanero. All right, so we're all set up. I have all 6 of these sauces set up. I've got my assistant Edward here to help. We're gonna start head to head, A versus B. Edward, hand me sauce A.
You want some?
All right. Maybe we should do that better. I've got a little spoon here. Maybe I should just drink from the cups. The spoon's gonna end up on my shirt, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So sauce A. Smells good. Smells very smoky. Ooh. That is super smoky. I think I'm also gonna take a guess at which each one is. Because that's got to be Chipotle, but don't tell me. We'll wait until the end for the big reveal. Very good, very smoky, relatively mild heat, probably a 2 out of 10 on my heat scale, maybe a 3 or a 4 on a normal person's heat scale, but really a smoky jalapeno kind of flavor. I'm thinking that's Chipotle. Can I have B? Just slide it to my hand. I don't want to try and grab it. Thank you. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Sauce B. Ooh, that smells interesting. Whoa. Okay, sauce B. A little bit fresher tasting. Much more vinegary than that last one. Pretty mild. It tastes almost more like a pickle, like a pickled pepper, than a traditional hot sauce because it's so much vinegar. I'm gonna guess that's probably, it's gonna be either the green one or the chili lime, I think. I'm gonna guess the green one, but either way, for round 1, I think A was the better tasting hot sauce.
Okay.
So if you could separate A from B, and we'll start a pile of winners and losers. Are we ready for round 2? Let's have hot sauce C, please. All right, Cholula hot sauce C. Smells very garlicky, like sriracha almost. Ooh, wow, that's good. Very, very kind of fruity pepper flavored forward. Lots of garlic though. Ooh, wow, that's really tasty. Pretty mild heat, even less so than either of those first 2, I think. Probably like a 1 or a 2 on the heat scale. Great garlic flavor. I'm guessing that's the chili garlic, but let me have D, please. D.
D.
Ooh, that one doesn't have as strong of a flavor or scent. I can't taste with my nose. All right, Cholula blind taste test D. Whoa! Wow, that's tart. So not very hot, but spicier than the last one. So D is spicier than C. Is D?
Yeah.
Very citrusy. That almost has to be the chili lime, in my opinion. It's pretty good. That's a tough call. I really liked C and its garlic flavor, but I like this has a little bit more heat and kind of a brighter flavor. I think in this case, D wins. D's the winner of round 2.
Right.
Round 3, fight. Let's go with, what comes after D? E?
E, yeah.
Yeah, Cholula E. Thank you for helping me with my alphabet. Okay. Ooh. That smells sweet. Whoa. Very fruity, very sweet, sugary. A little bit of heat building up. It's not super hot by any means, but it's one of the hotter ones. It took a minute to kick, but now it's spreading across my tongue. Really nice flavor though, very, very sugary, very, kind of has, as I exhale, it tastes like crunch berries, like the way that crunch berries taste. So artificial berry flavor, I guess. Wow, that's pretty good. It's gotta be the Sweet Habanero, right? I think that's the only one that had sweet in the name. Okay, very good. Let's try F, last of the Cholulas for cleaning up round 3, which will put us into the finals. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think I was wrong before, because this definitely tastes like lime. That was like just taking a bite of lime. Wow. That is insanely citrusy. Very limey. Pretty mild, especially after that last one. It does have a little kick, maybe a 1 or a 2 out of 10, but all I taste is lime. So if that's not chili lime, then something is broken with my brain. Out of those two, I definitely preferred that E, the sweeter one. So yeah, E wins round 3. And I think we have now narrowed it down to our 3 finalists. It is time for the final. Which of these 3 Cholula sauces will be crowned the king of flavor? Here we go. Okay. Very, very tasty. Next one. That's that really sweet one. Again, quite tasty. And very smoky. Okay. The moment of truth. I think of all of the Cholula that I tasted today, I think this one right here is my absolute favorite flavor. This guy right there. Edward, I'm gonna take my blindfold off. Hide all of the cups, please, except for the one I picked for my favorite. Whew. That's unpleasant. My eyes are sweaty. My eyes aren't usually sweaty. My favorite was letter D. So what we're gonna do now, starting with the ones, do you remember which ones were the losers?
B, C, and F.
B, C, and F. So B, this one's not a real mystery. This appears to be the green chili sauce. The question is, did I guess it correctly?
Yes.
Okay, I got the green one right. All right, so not necessarily my least favorite. No, yeah, that was probably my least favorite out of the group. I just don't like green hot sauce. So Cholula, green pepper. It's a good hot sauce, not my favorite. So C, also a loser, and probably, you know, this is the one I thought was the garlic, I believe.
Yep.
Was I right? C was the garlic. Okay. Doing pretty good here so far. I've at least predicted the right ones. I would have thought garlic would have made my final list. So F. Which one was F? I don't remember.
It's the one you said was really limey.
This is the one I thought was limey at first?
Yeah. Or no, not that at first. This was like the one that you really changed your mind.
Yeah, is this the chili lime?
Yeah.
It is? Sweet. So F was the chili lime. I got that right. That is so limey. It's almost no chili flavor. Seriously, a ton of lime. would actually be really good on tacos. Okay. So now the final three were, starting with this guy here.
E. Was...
This was the sweet one?
Sweet Habanero.
Okay, Sweet Habanero. I knew that. It was super sweet. It seriously smells and tastes like crunch berries. Like artificial berry flavor. Not bad. Pretty good flavor all around. Good on things like pork, probably. Maybe not so much on tacos unless you're having like quesadilla or something like that. Could be pretty good. Okay, and the runner-up.
Chipotle.
Hey, Chipotle. So again, I got that right. That one was obvious because, come on, super smoky flavor. What else is gonna be smoky in this pack, right? That means my absolute favorite flavor. Original. Cholula. You had it figured out from day one. You made 5 other flavors, and this is still the best. When I first tasted it, I thought it was kind of citrusy. Not so much after I had the citrus, or the chili lime one, because that one was straight up lime. So, Cholula, the original. This the king of flavor. Not only is it my favorite, I got all 6 of these right, didn't I?
Yeah.
That doesn't mean I'm great at tasting. I am. Trust me, I am. If you watch my reviews, you can trust me. It also just means that Cholula does a really good job making unique, distinct flavors for their sauces that match. So I would actually highly recommend checking out this Cholula box set. You can get them on Amazon. You can get them on Amazon Subscribe and Save so that like every 3 months they restock you depending on how fast you eat Cholula hot sauce. It's not sponsored. This just happens to be, in my opinion, one of the best everyday table hot sauces that everybody's got. It's pretty much available anywhere. I would definitely say still, original's the best. Blind taste test proved it. All of these hot sauces, original Cholula, you are the king. That's gonna do it for this video. This was a lot of fun. Big thanks to my assistant, Edward, here. You can come be on camera. Yeah, look at that. So, at the end of every video, what do we say?
Subscribe and stuff.
Yeah, but like, what's my tagline, the one you came up with?
Oh yeah,
Always remember.
Wear your seatbelt.
That's also good advice. Get back here. Come on, you don't want to talk us out? You can do this. Always remember.
Plants help us grow.
Thanks.